Today on Capture School, we're going to talk about the new Savage C-Stand. Here we are with the brand new Savage C-Stand, and we want to show you some of the improvements over a general regular C-Stand that they've done and some of the cool innovations that are in here. So one of the first things you will notice immediately here is the second riser that this comes with. This comes with a second riser and a junior pin. So the next thing we noticed immediately was Savage built this around how the actual C-Stand is being used, which is putting your light on the end of your grip arm. So it has a 1/4-20 and it has a flat area here that you can clamp your light down to. This is genius. So many people put their light on here and it spins and you lose the focus of your light. So if you put a light up high and it starts to spin down, it totally messes up the shot. This is awesome. The next thing we noticed immediately was this clamp. So this clamp can be used for so many different things. You can use this for foam core and all other kinds of things. So this immediately screws right on there and your reflector can go back on your C-Stand. And you can adjust the reflector, you can move it, you can slide it in and out. A ton of uses for that. So the next thing that we noticed about this is built for a professional studio. This is super solid and it is not going to break. We have a 25-pound capacity on this, where most C-Stands will only hold 22 pounds. When have you been on set and you lose your grip on your light and it falls down? You have springs inside your riser here. So if the light slips or goes down too fast, you have some spring that you don't blow the light bulb out. This right here is something that's a removable hook. So this hook can be used for a multitude of things. You could hang sandbags, wires, battery packs, very heavy duty clamp. It's not something small and plastic. It is built like the rest of the C-Stand and super nice. So while I'm talking about the hook, you can take your second riser and mount it right here so that it is safe and not just bouncing around. So the way this stand opens and closes is the easiest in the industry. And it closes the same way. What other C-Stand does that? One of the innovations in this stand is the Rocky Mountain base. You can drop that down and put that on a curb, on steps, or other uneven areas. One of the things I noticed also about this is the Savage Blue grip. You can throw this over your shoulder or just grab it without it slipping. So if you're a grip person or you travel for photography or videography, the turtle base comes off so you can pack this perfectly flat in your truck or gear bags. So what we're showing now is how to create a portrait light setup with a clamshell lighting pattern. This is great for headshots, portraits, all kinds of other lighting. You can carry one standout and your two lights, or you can carry one standout and a reflector and create this effect. There you have it, the new Savage C-Stand. Tell us what you think in the comments. Like us, follow us, and we'll see you real soon.